Have you ever been in a situation where you have done all the work for a particular project, but then the credit of it is taken by someone else, maybe your manager, maybe another team member? I have been in a lot of such situations. Hi, this is Lavanya, a public speaker and a storyteller and a communication specialist. So I was in multiple organizations before I came into the training industry. And in all of those corporate jobs, I had to work with a big team. And obviously, there will be a manager who's handling the entire team. Now, at that moment, I never knew how to sell myself, how to sell a good product that I have prepared and packaged in terms of my project or in terms of my report or anything that I could deliver it to my manager. Now, very often, I used to have this manager who asked me to work on a particular thing, maybe a presentation or maybe a project report, but then when he presented it to the higher management, my name would never come up. Why is that? Well, that was his work and he was assigned the work and he passed it on to me, he delegated that to me, but then the management, according to him, should not be knowing who did the job, which is very unfair. And I am a person who believed that my work should talk and I should not be talking. Even at a performance appraisal at the end of the year, my appraisals have a track record of not exceeding 5 minutes of discussion. And there would not even be a discussion because I would go and hand over my self-appraisal form, which obviously would have been submitted already online, and they would have a couple of things to say, but then I never argued whether it was the highest rating or whether it was the lowest rating. The only reason being I believe that my work should talk and not me. Now this can be a very, very old school thing. I'm sure many people resonate with this because I find there are so many people still who believe the same thing. But this is an era of marketing, my dear friends. Unless we market ourselves, we know how to sell ourselves, we are not going to survive in this industry. But it is very, very difficult for a person of my mentality to learn all of these things. But how can we adapt things in a simpler way, not like going la about our own things? Yes, we can keep a track record of every single thing that we did week on week, month on month, because when it comes to the appraisals, it's the half yearly appraisals or either the annual appraisal. Half yearly, I don't know where it will go, because in many of the corporates I've seen it's not even just taken so seriously. But the annual one, just because your increment and your bonus is dependent on it, people get to be a little more serious about it sometimes. But then this is a very handy thing that we can do, where you can record everything. Just open an Excel sheet and start putting in things that you achieved. It could be an email appreciation from your onshore counterpart. It could be an appreciation which you got from a team member, an acknowledgement, an award. It could be anything. But please keep a record of it, because instead of you going and talking, if you're not a person who's comfortable talking and telling about the things that you did, you can just show that Excel spreadsheet. You take a printout of it, make it into a PDF and send it out to the person who's going to review. Obviously, they have proof, and those are recorded on exactly the same dates and the times that they were being awarded or being rewarded, which means you have a foolproof thing, a document which you can present to him at the end of the year, and that can do the talking for most of it. Now, yes, you should be open and you should be outspoken when it comes to issues and you feel that something is not going right, but we will cover that off in a different video. But for today, the key takeaway is please record whatever you have been doing in your corporate life, the good things, so that will serve very, very handy for you at the end of the year appraisal. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video, and this is another episode on my corporate series. Stay tuned for more. Thank you and bye-bye.